This is a fit for a 2019 and beyond Subaru Ascent with factory installed raised side rails and factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Force XT XXL rooftop cargo box. This box measures 90.5 inches in length, 35.5 inches in width, and 18 3/4 inch in height. There is no contact or interference with the rear hatch or antenna. This box can accommodate skis measuring up to 215 centimeters. The box weighs in at 52 pounds. These factory installed crossbars are rated to 149 pounds, giving total weight carrying capacity of 97 pounds and a volume capacity of 22 cubic feet. This is a dual-sided opening box, accessible from both the passenger and driver side. Mounting hardware is included to attach to these factory bars and most other crossbar systems. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the video description for links to this product and further details.